One of my jobs here at Rackspace is to study the future, particularly when it comes to cloud computing. And I thought, hey, let's talk to one of the top investors in the field from Emergence Capital, who invested in things like Salesforce and many other companies. We're going to hear what the future's all about from his point of view right now. Who are you?
I am Kevin Spain. I'm a general partner at Emergence Capital, and we are the leading investor in early stage enterprise cloud companies. And when I'm not investing, I'm doing fun things like building drones with my kids, which was my big summer project, which we just wrapped up recently. So, so cloud investor by day, drone builder by night. That's how it's turned out over the last few months.
That's what a lot of people in the Valley are doing.
Seems that way.
So you've invested in all sorts of things from Box to Salesforce. That's the old world, right? Yeah. What's happening now? where are you seeing the world of cloud going?
Well, that's right. I mean, we, for the last 10 years as a firm, have been investing in the leading enterprise cloud companies out there. And we started with investments, with our first investment actually was in Salesforce back in the early part of the last decade, have invested in companies like Box and Yammer and Veeva Systems and other leading companies in enterprise cloud. So we see that the first wave of cloud is sort of behind us, right? And many of the companies I just mentioned epitomize that first wave. Yeah. That first wave really was horizontal cloud companies. So companies that sold to any company regardless of industry, servicing a functional need like CRM or human capital management. We see the future in many ways in a couple of key areas that are very different from where we spent the last 10 years. Yeah. The first is in what we're calling industry cloud. So industry-specific cloud applications that know an industry better than any other company and can service the needs of that industry better than anyone else. Yeah. A great example of that is Veeva Systems, where we were investors since the Series A. We helped that company go from $500,000 in annual revenue up to $200 million plus in annual revenue. I just stepped off the board there last month, but this is a business that focuses on life sciences, right? So they service the needs of global pharmaceutical companies with CRM, content management, marketing applications, and they do it better than anyone on the planet. As a result,
so that's sort of a competitor to Workday, I guess, but it's a very focused Workday.
Well, they compete with a lot of different companies, arguably. I mean, if you think about CRM or content management or marketing automation, there are lots of companies in each of those given spaces. But what Veeva has done is they have customized those applications to be perfectly suited, right, to the companies in the life sciences industry. And so as a result, if you're Pfizer or you're one of the largest pharma companies out there, you greatly prefer to work with Veeva because they speak your language and they can help you become more successful. So life sciences is a great industry for industry cloud. Veeva's proven that to be the case. They're now public with a $3 billion plus market cap. But we are investors in lots of industry cloud companies in areas like healthcare and education and transportation. We fundamentally believe industry cloud is going to be one of the next waves. Yeah. The other big next wave we're talking about these days at Emergence is the wave of